Welcome dear students, myself Purushottam Pathak. Today I will explain you exercise 7.2 of maths for standard 7, that is of NCERT maths. The chapter is Congruence of Triangles. In the previous class I had explained you several conditions of congruence. Following those conditions we will be able to solve the exercise 7.2 today. Now look at the sums one by one. Look at the one number sum. That is in the page number 149 of your NCERT maths book. It says given AC equal to DF. See, two triangles are drawn there. Let me draw those triangles ABC and another triangle was DEF. And conditions are given as AB equal to DE. This was the first one of first sum, A number, AB equal to DE. That means this side is equal to this side. Now BC is equals to EF. One thing more was given there. The first condition that I could not see, first one was AC equal to DF. AC equal to DF. See, the AC, this side is equal to DF. Now, AB equal to DE I had already marked, and BC equal to EF, this side. And we had learnt that the condition says that if all the sides are equal to the corresponding sides of another triangle, then both of the triangles are congruent. So according to SSS congruence criterion, they are congruent. As I had written the language for the first one, you will write all the conditions with figure for all the remaining sums. Only I am explaining here the conditions which will be applicable to all the sums. In the B number, Zx equal to Rp, one side is there, Rx equal to Zy, another side is there, and the angle line between both the sides are given there. So we will write in the B number similarly. After writing all those conditions according to side, two sides and one angle. So we will write side, angle, side. That is SAS congruence criterion. They are congruent. Similarly, in the C number, you will get triangle LMN and triangle GFH is given there. Two angles are given and one side included between. So this condition will be angle, side, angle. No, the language will be as I have been writing in all the sums according to ASA, angle, side, angle. Two angles and one side, congruence criterion. They are congruent. After that, the last portion. The last part of the sum says that by the figure it's clear that one right angle is there and the side facing the right angle is hypotenuse. So right angle, hypotenuse both are equal and one side is also given as equal. So we will write here according to RHS congruence criterion. They are congruent. And this will complete the one number. Now come to the two number sum. See, in the same page, two number sum is there. Sum number 2 states that 149, page number 1. We want to show that triangle ART, triangle PEN. See, triangle ART is congruent to triangle PEN. In this condition, if you have to use SSS criterion, then you need to show AR equal to, see, the condition is given as in the first part, triangle ART, triangle ART is congruent to triangle, another triangle is PEN, and to show the congruence, the matching sided will be AR. See, the first and second alphabet here will be matching with the first and second alphabet. That means AR equal to PE. Second thing is RT. Second and third alphabet. RT equals to EN. Similarly, third one, that is AT. First and third alphabet, that will be matching with the, if you follow this process, then you will not make any mistake in writing the parts, congruent parts. Now come to the B number. If it is given that angle T equal to angle N in these two triangles, angle T and angle N are given as equal, we need to show that RT in the B number, first one, RT equals to, of course, once again the RT will equals to EN, and wait, let me check whether it's correct or wrong, because ART, AR and P is there, another triangle is also there in which P, E and N is there. It is given in the second condition, it was given as angle T equals to angle N. This angle was equals to angle N. Of course, in this condition, RT, this base side will be equals to EN, that those are corresponding. And similarly, the second thing, that is PN. The PN corresponding to PN side will be, PN will be, AT. The corresponding to PN will be AT. That's here. PN, first and third alphabet here also. Similarly, in the C number, it is given AT equal to PN. This AT equal to PN is given. Now you are asked here, ASA condition you have to show. ASA, to show ASA, this angle, this side and this angle, this angle, this side and this angle, this angle, this side and this angle, if they are matching, then they are congruent. So we will write the first condition, that is angle RAT. RAT will be equals to angle EPN, and this was the first one. And for the second part, we will write another angle, that is angle ATR. Angle ATR is equals to angle PNE. Angle PNE. In this way, we have completed all the correspondence of congruent triangles of 2 number. Now come to the 3 number sum. In the next page, that is in the page number 150, third sum says, in the third sum of 151, see here, steps are given and reasons are asked for congruence. The first step is given as, triangles are given as triangle A, triangle AMP. Triangle AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ. Now we have to complete the conditions. It is given here PM equal to QM. what is this condition? PM is one of the side and QM is also one of the side of the given triangle, and figure is also drawn like this. See, yeah, these two angles are equal. A is marked here, P is here, Q is here, and N is here. Now, when PM angle A, P, M and Q, this was not N, this is M. A, M, P, this triangle, and A, M, Q, this triangle. Those triangles are there, both triangles are there. PM equal to QM. This PM equals to QM. This is corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Number second, it is asked angle PMA equals to angle QMA. See, PMA and QMA. PMA this angle and QMA this angle. These are corresponding angles. You can write a congruent triangle there also. Number third is AM equals to AM. This is common side of congruent triangles. And in the fourth part, that is angle AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ. This is according to this side, this angle, this side of this triangle is equal to this side, this angle and this side. So SAS criterion. Complete this. Now move to the fourth sum. See, in the 4 number sum, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, two triangles are there. In triangle ABC, angles are given as 30 degree, 40 degree, 110, 30 degree, 40 degree and 110 degree. Similarly, in this angle also 30 degree, in this triangle also 40 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree and 110 degree. These angles are there. A study says that angle, student says that angle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by AAA congruence criterion. Is it justified? I had not taught you the AAA congruence criterion, because when all the angles of one triangle is exactly matching to the another and all the angles of another triangle, but not the size of the sides, not the length of the sides are matching, then they are known as similar triangles. So we can write here, is he justified? He is not justified. He is not justified. Some number I had not written. It was 4 number sum of page number 150. He is not justified as these triangles are similar, not congruent. For example, take the example, I have drawn here 2 triangles and assuming that both are equilateral triangle, 2 cm, 2 cm, 2 cm Here I have taken it as 5 cm, 5 cm, 5 cm. As the triangles are equilateral triangle, of course their angles, all the angles are 60 degree. Here also all the angles are 60 degree. These are similar triangles, but clearly they are not congruent because length of the sides are not equal. Clearly these are similar but not congruent. I had shown with the example that the triangles having same length of angles are similar, not congruent. Come to the next sum, that is 5 number sum. See, in the 5 number, it is in the given figure two triangles are congruent. Two congruent triangles are given there. The corresponding parts are marked when we say right angle RAT in the 5 number. Page number is 150. See, the triangle RAT is drawn like this. R is here, A is here, and T is there. And another triangle NOW, that is NO and W, like this I have taken. In both of the triangles, the corresponding parts are marked with right angle RAT. How is corresponding parts marked? Triple arcs and at T. Here also we get triple arcs at N. And I will follow only dot. Dot is not a single, arc is given as W on W and R. So on R single arc, on W single arc, and on AT 1, on ON 1, and AR and OW. AR. Something is going on wrong here. ART I have written wrong here. ART. A would be here and T will be here. A was only twice. Here A was thrice. T was taken as thrice. Now A and T is clear. AT is also clear. AR was marked with 2 slashes. AR, and here OWO will be marked with 2 slashes. Now we need to write up the congruence criterion for triangle RAT is congruent to. Look at the arcs. Single arc will be matching to the single arc, that is W. A, second alphabet. Double arc will be matching to double arc, that is in that triangle on O. That I have not placed here, it will be O. And the third, that is on the T, is here. 3 arcs are there, so we will write N here. The angle with 3 arcs. In this way they are congruent. Now similarly come to the 6th number sum. In the 6th number, complete the congruence criterion. Same thing is given there as I had explained you here. If you follow these steps, you will get angle BCA is congruent to angle BTA. Triangle BTA. And in the, this was the first figure of, and in the second figure, triangle QRS, that will be congruent to, if you look carefully, Q, R and S. Let me draw this figure, otherwise it will be a little bit confusing. written P, Q, R is at the top, P, Q and R, and T and S is here. P, Q, that is marked with 2 slashes, and Q, T, that is also marked with 2 slashes. That means it's an isosceles triangle. Similarly, these two sides are also marked as isosceles triangle. Angle S is matching to angle Q. Angle Q is marked with dot. Angle S is also marked with dot. And angle Q in this triangle has one arc, and angle T in this triangle has one arc. So look at the QRS. Q is having dot in QRS. No, in QRS, Q is having one arc. So in PQT also we will find the angle with single arc, that is T. Come to the R. R does not have any sign. R does not have any sign, so we will write here R. Because no, P. P is matching with R. R is matching with P. And S matches to, see the S with dot matches to Q of this triangle. So triangle QRS is congruent to triangle TPQ. This will be the congruence statement here. Now come to the 7 numbers of sum. It will need the entire board. It will rub the board. In the 7, the triangles you are asked, if in a square sheet draw two triangles of equal area. Let me try the first part. Assume that it's a square sheet. I am trying to draw up the triangles of equal area. The triangles are congruent. Triangles with equal area and congruence is very simple to draw. Say taking the triangle of one triangle that has 2 cm, 4 cm and 7 cm as sides. Similarly, we will write here 2 cm, 2 cm, 4 cm and 7 cm. Triangle A, B, C and triangle AB. So this will be A. Here let me write P, Q, R. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle P, triangle PQR. And in the second condition, when on a square sheet, assume that I have taken this square sheet and we have to draw two triangles. Draw the right angled triangle. That's very easy to draw. Take one side of 4 cm and another side of 3 cm. Make the right angled triangle. Similarly, take at one side of 6 cm and another side of 2 cm and make the right angled triangle. See, assume that this is ABC, this is PQR. They are not congruent, but area of triangle ABC. I am lacking the space, that's why I am writing here. You will write at the bottom. That will be 1 by 2 into base into height, 4 into 3 cm square. That will be 2 2s are 4, so 6 cm square. Similarly, area of triangle it's 6 into 2 cm square. If you reduce it to lowest term, this also you will get 6 cm square. Hence we got that they are having the equal area, but they are not congruent. This was first and second part of 7 number sum from the page number 150. In the first part, triangles are congruent, having same area. In the second part, they are having same area but not congruent. Come to the last sum now, that is in the last sum, 2 sums are there. 8 number sum. One more sum is there in the next page, that is 9 number. So look at the 8 number. If triangle ABC and triangle PQR are to be congruent, name one additional pair of corresponding parts. What criterion did you use? Clearly you can see one right angle is there, but one another angle is there. So of course the condition will be angle side angle, because 2 angles are there. According to ASA criterion, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, and additional pair, that is angle B and angle C, was matching. So we need to mention there the side line between those 2 angles B and C. So and BC, that is the side formed by B and C, will be equals to BC will be equals to QR. This is the congruence condition. Now in the 9 number sum, last sum, that is explain why triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED. Triangles are drawn like this: A, B, C, and F, E, D, and marks are given as E, A and F are marked with 2 arcs, BC and DE are marked with 2 slashes, and angle B and angle E are right angles. See, this angle is there, this right angle is also there, but this including side is not shown here equal. However, we can see this side is equal. When we know in a right angle triangle, if these 90-degree angles, of course in 90-degree angle will be equal. Of course that means these 2 angles will also be equal in the congruent triangles. So if angle A is there matching to angle F, then angle D will be matching to angle C here. So to complete the condition, we can't use here RHS because hypotenuse is not shown here, but 2 angles are shown here. So we can take the 2 angle and 1 side of the, so we can write here according to, see, this angle is given, this angle, these are equal, this side, they are also equal, and as these angles are equal, so these angles will also be equal. One here, mark here 1 arc on C, mark 1 arc on D to show that they are equal, and we will write according to ASA congruence criterion. They are congruent. This will complete the exercise 7.2 also. We will proceed to the chapter 8 in the next class. Thank you very much.